Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this JPEG or a photograph. Yeah, it's a JPEG. And they asked if this would trace or how to draw it. They're going to be really upset when they find out how easy this would be to draw. Polygon tool, six-sided. Hold down your control button so it makes it perfect. Go up to object and convert that to a curve. Grab these two nodes. Go up to Windows, Dockers, corners, and let's try 0.5 of an inch. That's too much. Maybe not. Let's go 0.3. This would all depend on your size of your polygon. I'm going to back up here. I think it's already, once you've gone too far. That looks pretty good. Now, Control D and make a duplicate. Let's change our nudge factor. Well, let's leave it at 1/4 of an inch. And let's move the new one down. Maybe put it back just a little bit. I'm going to hold down the control button and just move it manually. Take your Smart Fill tool. Put it on whatever color. That doesn't really matter. We're going to make it black. And then kind of mimic this. If you will Control D and make a duplicate, moving it down manually and placing it there, then when you move the next one with Control D, they were all equal. That is a really interesting way to this would take you a long time to draw this with these curves. I mean, if you look at it individually, that's a pretty tricky curve right there, but very easily done with the polygon tool. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.